Hello everyone! Do you wish to rocket your YouTube channel to success? Today we're delving into the universe of free resources, crucial for thriving in the YouTube space. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned creator, these platforms can provide you with the necessary tools and communities to amplify your audience reach. So fasten your seatbelts, as we're about to explore 7 free websites that can supercharge your YouTube journey. So get ready as we dive into 7 free websites that can boost your YouTube journey. First up, we have TubeBuddy, a creator's best mate. This nifty browser extension is like having a seasoned YouTube expert on your team, but without the cost. TubeBuddy offers a free plan that comes loaded with useful features. Ever wondered how to make your videos more searchable? TubeBuddy's got you covered with its keyword research tool. It helps optimize your video titles and descriptions, making them more discoverable to your target audience. But that's not all. This tool also assists in creating thumbnails that are sure to catch the eye, increasing the likelihood of clicks and views. And the cherry on top? TubeBuddy keeps track of your channel's performance, providing insights that can guide your content creation strategy. With TubeBuddy, you unlock the power of SEO and analytics right at your fingertips. It's an invaluable tool for any YouTuber, whether you're just starting out or looking to turbocharge your channel's growth. Next on our list is VidIQ, a tool that offers insight into your channel's performance. This wonderful browser extension provides comprehensive analytics on your videos. It's like having your very own digital detective, uncovering the secrets behind what makes your audience tick. With VidIQ, you can see exactly what kind of content resonates with your viewers. It's as simple as that. But that's not all. VidIQ also lifts the veil on competitor channels. Imagine being able to see what works for others in your field, and then tailoring that knowledge to your own content. It's about learning, adapting, and thriving in the ever-changing landscape of YouTube. The free plan offers basic features, but don't underestimate its power. It's a valuable tool to better understand your viewers. With VidIQ, you get to understand your audience better and stay ahead of the game. So why not give it a try? It might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Now let's talk visuals with Canva. When it comes to catching your audience's attention, a stunning thumbnail or banner can make all the difference. Canva, a free online graphic design platform, is here to help. Even if you're a beginner with no design experience, Canva's user-friendly interface and plethora of free templates make it easy to create professional-looking visuals. Need a thumbnail that pops? Canva's got you covered. Looking to design a sleek banner for your channel? There's a template for that. And let's not forget about social media. With Canva, you can also create eye-catching posts to promote your videos across your social platforms. It's all about creating a cohesive, attractive brand image, and Canva is the perfect tool to help you achieve that. So, why not give it a try? With Canva, you can create stunning visuals effortlessly. Moving on to InVideo, a basic online video editor. This free platform is an all-in-one solution for enhancing your content. InVideo allows you to bring your creative ideas to life with a simple, user-friendly interface. You can add text overlays to emphasize key points, incorporate music to set the mood, and even apply effects for that extra sparkle. What sets InVideo apart is its accessibility. You don't need to be a seasoned editor or have expensive software to create videos that resonate with your audience. The platform offers a variety of templates, so you're never starting from scratch. You can simply pick a template that aligns with your vision, then customize it to fit your unique style. InVideo also provides a library of stock footage, making it easier for you to find the perfect visuals for your narrative. The editor supports all standard video formats, so you can upload your footage, make your edits, and export your video in high quality. With InVideo, you can polish your videos to perfection. Next, we have Reddit, an online community goldmine. You might be wondering, Reddit? Really? But hear me out. Reddit is more than just memes and viral news. It's a vast network of communities, or subreddits, each with its own interests and rules. For YouTubers, Reddit can be a potent tool. You can find subreddits that align with your channel's niche, whether it's cooking, gaming, fitness, or anything in between. By sharing your content in these spaces, You can reach audiences genuinely interested in what you have to offer. But remember, Reddit isn't just a billboard for your videos. It's a place for discussion and interaction. So don't just drop your links and run. Engage in conversations, respond to comments. Be an active member of the community. This way, you're not just promoting your work, you're building relationships. With Reddit, you can engage directly with audiences and build genuine relationships. Discord, a platform for building your own community. This free chat platform is a hidden gem for YouTubers looking to cultivate a strong community around their content. Imagine having a personal forum where your viewers can interact, discuss your videos, and even get to know each other. Sounds incredible, right? That's exactly what Discord offers. Creating a server on Discord is a breeze, and it provides a unique space for your viewers to feel connected not only to you, but to each other as well. This sense of community can be incredibly powerful. It keeps your audience engaged even between your video uploads, and fosters a sense of belonging that can turn casual viewers into dedicated fans. Discord also allows you to share updates, gather feedback, and even host live chats. It's a dynamic, interactive way to keep your audience in the loop and make them feel valued. With Discord, you can foster a sense of belonging and keep your audience engaged. Lastly, we have YouTube's own Creator Academy. This is where YouTube shares its secrets with the creators, offering a wealth of knowledge right from the horse's mouth. The Creator Academy is a hub of learning, offering a wide range of tutorials, tips, and best practices. From the basics of setting up your channel to advanced strategies for audience growth, the Academy has it all covered. The tutorials are user-friendly, clear, and comprehensive, designed to teach you the craft of video making. They guide you through every step of the process, from pre-production to post-production and everything in between. The Academy also offers tips to optimize your content and make it more discoverable. It teaches you how to use keywords, tags, and descriptions effectively, and how to leverage YouTube's algorithms to your advantage. Best practices shared by the Academy are invaluable. They are based on YouTube's extensive data and insights, and following them can significantly improve your content quality and channel performance. With YouTube Creator Academy, you have a wealth of knowledge at your disposal. So there you have it, 7 free websites to launch your YouTube channel to success. Let's take a quick recap. TubeBuddy, your best friend as a creator, helps you optimize your video titles and descriptions for search, create eye-catching thumbnails, and track your channel's performance. VidIQ, another fantastic browser extension, provides in-depth analytics on your videos and competitor channels, helping you understand your viewers and stay ahead of the curve. Canva, the graphic design platform, helps you design stunning thumbnails, channel banners, and even social media posts to promote your videos, even if you're not a design pro. InVideo, the free online video editor, lets you create basic edits and add text, music, and effects to your videos, perfect for beginners who want to polish their videos without breaking the bank. Reddit, the massive online community, is a goldmine for YouTubers. Find subreddits related to your niche, share your content, engage in discussions, and build relationships with potential viewers. Discord, the free chat platform, is perfect for building a community around your YouTube channel, fostering a sense of belonging and keeping your audience engaged between uploads. And last but not least, YouTube Creator Academy, a treasure trove of tutorials, tips, and best practices to help you create high-quality content, optimize your channel, and grow your audience. These tools are more than just free websites. They're your allies in this journey, equipping you with the resources and communities you need to grow your audience. Remember, consistent, high-quality content and genuine audience engagement are key. These tools can help you refine your craft, reach a wider audience, and take your YouTube channel to amazing heights. What are you waiting for? Start creating and see your YouTube channel reach amazing heights. And remember, if you have any other growth hacks or favorite free resources, leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going.